I chose to pursue ISC because of its excellence in studies and it is more comfortable than colleges. It also has more amount of discipline and the syllabus is much better and you can also get more opportunities in the future.
I chose to pursue ISC because I've been an ICSE student almost 10 years now and I quite like the syllabus and the board ISC, it offers a lot of subjects and it has high proficiency level in English especially, and I plan to pursue my studies abroad. So the syllabus is up to the mark, it's upgraded every year. I chose to pursue ISC at JPS because it has a good student to teacher ratio, so you get more personalized attention and I like it that way.
I chose JPS because I really liked the school and the teachers were good. The teachers are good, and I liked how many different facilities they have at JPS.
Personally, from the beginning of the 10th only, I had decided to join ISC and especially in JPS because in JPS, I've been here for the past 10 years and because of the teachers and all, there's a different comfort zone over here and also because of the studies.
I am an athlete. I love to play sports and it has very good sporting facilities. And also I'm a science student, so they have good labs for science for each different subject. They have good libraries, which is very rare when I looked forward to other schools. We have 3 libraries at school. We also have new subjects that are being introduced into the school every year. For example, mass media and psychology. We also have a radio room and an AV room, so that's really amazing.
Yeah, the teachers here are really qualified, highly qualified, and they personally give us attention, and whatever problems and doubts you have, they're always for you. And yeah, we have a lot of opportunities in sports also. We have each and every we have a ground for each and every sport.
The infrastructure of JPS, it's absolutely very fantastic, as over here they provide us with mass media as well as AV room, which is a very rare thing which has been put up in any school in the city.
Yes, I do get enough time and opportunities to do extracurricular activities, as in the school, teachers themselves come up to us and tell us to do extracurricular activities. They encourage us for it. They have allotted time slots. They also have a 0 period over here so that we can specifically do extracurricular activities other than academics.
Yes, in fact, I do get a lot of time because I do pursue my academics. I'm a very studious person. I'm also an athlete, like I mentioned before. So I get time in school and even outside school to do my sports, to study well, and I get a bit of more free time so that I can just rest and relax.
Mostly because so many of our activities are planned into our school schedules. So like our sports day and our aquatic meet and all of that it's all part of the curriculum. So I have a lot of time to do that, and even outside of school I have time to do things that I would like to do. That is not true. Now our ISC syllabus is at par with the NCERT syllabus, so even if you study ISC, you still have a decent chance when you go to give your entrance exams. There's not too much extra you have to study apart from the ISC syllabus to give an entrance exams, and so that is another plus point.
No, it's not. Recently, the ISC syllabus has upgraded itself and it has aligned with the NCERT. All ISC students will be well equipped to appear for any entrance exam.
No, it's actually not true. People find English in ISC difficult because they have not done much English in their lower grades, but actually it's comfortable.
It is not difficult, but I would say it is up to the mark. It has a very good proficiency level, especially if you're planning to pursue your academics abroad.
No, that is a myth. I do not agree to that. Yeah, I agree. English is advanced, but it is not difficult because, yeah, for some people it may be difficult, but that is better for us because English can help us in every aspect of our career.
To be regular, because ISC is it's a good choice, but it's not the easiest of choices. So there is a lot of work to do. But if you are regular, there's nothing that you can't do when it comes to ISC.
Yes, I would recommend it because the quality of studies is class over here and it is really enjoyable.
Of course, yes, I would do recommend them to come here. as especially the in-house students, as it would be easier for them to cope up with the syllabus, as I've already did ICSE, and also because of the teachers.
I would definitely recommend JPS because it's not only about the academics, it's also these 2 years are very important considering your career, and to spend it at a good institution is very important, and JPS is an institution where it is worth spending these 2 years.